Hello, beautiful set of people. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time of seeing my content, my name is Samuel Joshua, and this is 𝐲𝐤 Logistics. So do well to join our community. Do well to join us on YouTube and on TikTok at 𝐲𝐤 Logistics. Make sure you like our follow us immediately. It's free of charge. So in today's tutorial, we are going to be talking about how you can create and set up your Facebook page as a professional without making any mistake. This is a complete tutorial you don't want to miss, and make sure you don't skip any part of this video because I've made sure every part of this video is set up. It is a complete guide that will guide you not to do any mistake when setting up your Facebook page, most especially for business. All right, so without further more ado, let's dive into the tutorial. So this is my Facebook account now, and we are going to be doing it practically now because I'm going to be showing you the different steps that you are going to be using. Now, for instance, let's click on this right dotted arrow here. You want to click on pages, right? Because we are going to be creating a new business page today. Okay, so you want to scroll up a little bit, and you find where we have create. You want to click on create again, because remember, we are going to be creating a new business page today. So you want to click on get started. All right, so you want to input your business name here. I'm going to be going for, let me say, Zion, or let me just put something random here. Once you input your store name, it must be, it's in some cases I will always advise you make it more professional. So you want to make sure you go for a business name that suits what you are selling. So you click on next. Once you are done, you click on next, and clicking on next will takes you here where you want to describe the category of what you are selling in your store. If you are selling a musician and a band, anything that have to do with speaker, condenser and the likes, you can go for music and band. But if it is for health, you want to select any category that switch. But if your category is not listed here, just click here and enter your category. If it is clothing, you want to click on clothes here, you search it, and it's going to bring different available options for you. So you click on selected one. Once you click on select, you can select as much as possible different category, and you are going to be clicking on create. Okay, so once you are done doing this step, it will automatically create the account for you. Now, to make it looks more professional, this is what you are going to be doing here. So you are going to click on general here. You are going to list out the bios, your general, the thing that have to do with your page. You can write a welcome message there. So I'm going to be pausing this video now, fill in the bio and the contact information as well. You can see right here that this, under this general here, I simply wrote something simple there. Welcome to our page. We deal with anything that have to do with clothes and clothes, men and women clothes and jeans with necklace, right? That is just simple bio on anything, on what you are selling, right? So the next thing is contact. You input your website and email, then your phone number. The next thing is the location where your business is presently in, and make sure you indicate Nigeria. So any customer that is visiting your business page will be able to know that you are presently in Nigeria and your business is right there. Then the postal code for your location, you input it there. So under this working hour here, you want to click on, if you are going to be available for 24 hours, you want to click on it. But if you have your standard hour, you want to click on it here, then select your working hour. So if you are working from Monday to Friday, you want to check in this box, then select the available time. If you are opening your store from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., you want to click on it. Then you do the same thing for Tuesday, you do the same thing for Wednesday, you do the same thing for Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So once you are done with this step, now you want to click on done. So done will take you to the previous page where you can see that all our informations are ready now, and we are going to be clicking on next. So clicking on next again will take us to the next page where you can see where you are going to be customizing your page. Now, this is what our page really look like now. The next thing you are going to be doing is to upload a cover picture. So whosoever that is visiting your page for the very first time will be seeing your profile picture and your cover photo. So if you don't know how to do a banner, you can do a banner online. You can design a banner that have to do with the business you are doing. You can go to Canva. Please download Canva, and once you download Canva, you are going to be seeing everything, a template that you can also follow to edit it. It's very simple. All right, so let me just upload one image here, then one image at the cover section. So you can see right here that I have just uploaded something very simple here. This is not a business logo. It is just for a tutorial purpose. You can see right at the background section there, we have my logo in there. That one is for Zion Hub Logistics, right? But this is just a tutorial, guys. And once you are done with this step, you want to click on what next. But if you want to fill in your action button, where you want to direct your traffic to, where you want people to reach out to you, you want to click on this edit action button here, then you click on try it here. So you will select where you want people to contact you, maybe on Messenger when they are visiting your page, or your WhatsApp directly, or call now. So I'll just leave it as message. But if it is advisable for you to just connect it with your WhatsApp, so you want to click on WhatsApp. If you want to go for WhatsApp, then you click on next. So once you click on next, you are going to be adding your phone number, then you click on submit. All right, so once you are done with that, you want to click on next. Next will takes you to the final step of it, where you are going to be checking out all the necessary informations that you've already created. Now this is where you are going to be connecting your WhatsApp with your business page. So click on this drop down arrow here. Once you click on this drop down arrow, you want to scroll and look for where your country is listed around all these countries. Once you are done, input your phone number, then you click on get code. A code will be sent directly to the number, and before you know it, a code will be sent. Once you receive the code, then you input it and proceed. This is the phone number I'm going to be using now. So you are going to click on get code. So a code will be sent to this phone number here. Once you receive the code, just input the code and you click on confirm. Automatically, the code, the number will be attached to your business account on Facebook. But because of time now, I'm going to be skipping this aspect so we can move to the final stage of it. So I'm going to be clicking on skip. All right, so here you want to invite your friends on Facebook to like your page. So you click on invite friend, and also you want to click on select 1000, because I'm having up to 1000 friends. So I'm going to send the invitation, so they will keep on liking that page. So let me click on continue now. Now our Facebook page is automatically ready. This is a very simple process, and it is not even up to 5 minutes before we created this page successfully. So here you can start running adverts, you can start doing whatever it is you want to do with this page by uploading your content, uploading your pictures, uploading your products and services. You can see that this is what our page looks like now, after we must have done with all the necessary things we've added. So you can now start posting your services. And if you want to run an advert, this is a special announcement. Please, I have the complete course on how to run Instagram adverts like a pro, how to do a detailed targeting, also how you can start pushing your adverts to people who are likely to purchase what you are selling. We are going to be in this course. I've done a segment in there that target rich peoples, that targets a specific locations, that targets those people who are searching on Facebook the item you are uploading and the items you are selling. All right, so this is what our page really looks like now. Thank you guys for watching this video to the very end. I will see you in my next tutorial.